R0semond or being or whoever you call yourself.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that bia. Na de bia me ka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Adwuma a wokoye eni suban akoda na di ho ene krono ne niam bia wokoye ya yi wadi no ena ka che Ghana fo R0semond krono ene niam a wokoye wo Dr. Bawumia office no aye pamo wo no ena me pese ka che Ghana fo was a movie no nipa kana no tuma mompe wo so na be rescue Ghana na wo no a friend is saying, "Oh, papa, what me rescue my bushman craving? No, I can rescue Ghana. What bushman? What my rescue a bushman? I be rescue Ghana. Me who be that? Say obi any obi aye adwuma. And sa ama wadwane di. No timi cross carpet. O cross carpet we are. They be a person di nipa na nim ayefo. But what semon so amaye pam wo fi Dr. Bawumia office akofa mpanyifo bi be patch on ade anye yi no. Unkai. They all can say wa cross carpet. But I put it to use one cross carpet. Yes, sakeo. It's yes sakeo no. And I didn't mpanyifo bi be patch on. Na chopa na anye yi. And if you utiti fia na ode kodwane andisi na meka se ma chen ndisi fu soldiers ma bregu anything for Mabrego. Mu brema party ya me home social media mu go jobless e ma kwa munya binye. Also be the kokonsa ba kope obe di mani mu kan. And no say obe rescue Ghana. It means say see dun ketia money ade adin da obi no wetimi bo MPP NDC mo mu wini power. NDC R0semond Brown also na mamu wini power na wini power mamu. R0semond Brown me ka se me cho. After politics what next? Say NDC fear bemusisi what next because you are snitch. Ena ehefa ena obeko biem akope adwuma ye ehefa biem ubi adwuma kra obi a na onye adwuma obi esuro okope adwuma ye problem because they know you are snitch. NDC na wo mu bibi a ohye no omo ye meeting na wo ba omo kata o man they stop. Don't think say NDC for na say presidential staff are we no. Don't think say in their 1 year no. Politicians all made the same. We made the same. They are just using you. But at the right time, you will get to understand the consequence. Don't ever think that any politician in the NDC a trust you. President Mahama on trust you. The vice president on trust you. The first lady on trust you. Chief of staff on trust you. R0semond, me person who say, "I wanna wish no, obi ahwe no ho yi wo." Na ka obeti mi a, ka meka cho say, "Unyo obi a, iti kan wano tum." Wo untimi ma NPP lose 1 vote. Na untimi for 1 vote on NPP vote so. So shut up. Na show odin. Because after this NDC administration, minim ebi aju figure na kope a co-exile wa buchi kuro bi so. Because Usuba we no Ghana baby and who are the best in her. Then this is for the Kromuso. Abidjan, you came to rescue Ghana. How, in what capacity? Let me know in what capacity in R0semond or whatever, or being who will rescue Ghana. As a president, as a vice president, or what? In Bayifuo cry, I've been on politics more in the NDC crowd not see that. They say you don't get their current to make us one will be rescue Ghana. Now they capacity. I mean, also for so partners and NDC party. So name will be also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Maybe not my say I'm very calm because no more fragile. We catch up plan. Kawano atum. Dr. Bawumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Bawumia. Or be any more boss who can work on. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my Ben also, they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Jumpers when they said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one at all. When you must say, "Me baby, the problems mum never brought now." So shut up. I'm a obushwan for one. Okay, good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Hina Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Hini Ajapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. Today, and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. Oh, I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not have, or whether we dismissed people at the time, the party was focused on our strategy, not human beings.
And that's what you stick
every
to
party,
do now.
yes, you don't need to build the party on people.
But how do you respond to what Rashid told you, that you don't even have the you will not be able to crack the whip on Kennedy Japan because of his level of influence within the party?
You see, that is his view, and his views or opinions are enshrined in the 1992 Constitution. I can't take it away from him. The only thing you have to do is to wait whether we will be able to crack it or not, because we are a disciplined political party.
Chino mind Ghana ho. Ene womu jini ko etira. Na nke womu betira se ehuni say. Enwa na womu da market no womu ni babi da. ɛni nti na wɔn ayɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔn bɛda market nti sɛ saa na ɛte deɛ saa nkɔfo wei to aba ɛdi tie NPP government sɛ wɔn pɛ change wɔn pɛ ahotɔ wɔn pɛ nnwuma ayɛ sɛ wei a saa market places no wɔn nkɔda hɔ biem ɛna wɔn gyina sɛ de to aba de tie NPP government ɛna wɔn to aba de ma NDC sɛ NDC ɛmbɛra na ɔmfa nhyehyɛ yɛ pa megu hɔ ma me NDC baayɛ ɔmfa nhyehyɛ yɛ pa bi a megu hɔ babi a me da na menya asomdue kakra na me de to aba tie MPP na me to aba
so na da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and PCs yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me na say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya e say scan kwa kan dey wasa botumi we say oh I say we say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem krani obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open konketenkete is enya mo de. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa. Na fe na mbusu wanche dem. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi. Me na me ko ka che Agyeta Dramani ma say o mema was come to mutu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the Agyeta Dramani mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, eh? Remona Chapa, ya happen to say, where I can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, were ye former staff, a man am one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time, number one I post. Oh, yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.